Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda Rebel 300 with ABS brakes. Lightweight, fuel-injected cruiser, only 56 miles on the odometer. This thing is in beautiful condition, basically showroom. Come on down. Get this hard-to-get ABS version of the 300 Rebel. Price is only $49.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.